So your next topic is coordinate covalent bond. In the earlier classes and up to class 10th, you had studied that there are two types of bonds, which are ionic or electrovalent bond, and the second one is your covalent bond. I'm just giving you an idea about it. Ionic or electrovalent bond are those bonds which are formed by the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom, and the covalent bonds are those bonds which are formed by the sharing of electrons, or you can say mutual sharing of electrons in among the two atoms. Okay, so let's move forward to the next type of bond. This is your coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so this coordinate covalent bond is a new topic for you. This you must not have heard about this topic earlier. So basically so far we have considered that in a single covalent bonds, each atom contributes one electron, and the shared pair of electron is provided to a bond by one atom only, and the other atom merely participates in the sharing. So it was suggested by Perkin another type of the covalent bond. So this coordinate covalent bond is a type of covalent bond only, means that this bond is also formed by the sharing of the electrons, but in this case the both electrons is shared in the shared pair come from one atom only. Means in case of covalent bond there is mutual sharing of the electrons, means the two atoms share the electrons among themselves, but in case of coordinate covalent bond, the shared pair of electrons, means the two electrons which participate in sharing come from the single atom. Okay, so this is what we call a coordinate bond. So such type of bond is formed between atoms in which one is deficient in at least two electrons, while the other has already acquired a stable noble gas configuration. So the atom in this case which contributes the electron is called the donor, while the other atom which shares the electron pair is known as the acceptor. So this bond is usually represented by a single headed arrow like this. Okay, so it is represented by a single headed arrow, and this single headed arrow points from the donor to the acceptor atom. So this type of bond has also been named as the dative bond. Okay, so we also call it as dative bond, donor acceptor bond, semipolar bond, or co-ionic bond. These are the different names for this type of bond, means the coordinate bond. We also call it by these following names. For example, here I am showing you an example of this ammonium ion. For example, a hydrogen ion combines with ammonia molecule by a coordinate covalent bond to form ammonium ion. Here, first of all, this is your ammonia, NH3. NH3 is the formula for ammonia. So in the Lewis dot structure we show it like this. Here you all know that nitrogen has 5 electrons in its valence shell. Okay, so when it has 5 electrons in its valence shell, and when it combines with the 3 hydrogen atoms, then in that case hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost shell. Okay, so it will share its electron with nitrogen atom and it will complete its doublet. This is how the other hydrogen atoms will also share the electrons with the nitrogen atom, and nitrogen atom will share its electron from these hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is how nitrogen also completes its octet: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. In this case you can see that the electrons which are being shared, or the covalent bond which is being formed, the electrons are coming from both the atoms. Means one electron is contributed by a hydrogen atom, and the other electron is contributed through the nitrogen atom. Okay, in this case both the atoms which are participating in the covalent bond formation, both of them are contributing one electron towards it. But in case of coordinate bond, as I told you, that there is not a mutual sharing. It is the donor atom just donates its electron to the other atom without sharing its electron. So in case of ammonium ion, this hydrogen is electron deficient. So in this case, this electron which is left by the hydrogen will be shared by this hydrogen ion. So in that case, the ammonium ion will be formed with a positive charge on it. Okay, so this is how the coordinate bond is formed. In case of coordinate bond, there is not a mutual sharing. In this case, only one atom donates its electron to the other atom. That is why it is the molecule or the atom which shares its electron or donates its electron is known as the donor, and the atom which accepts its electron for the bond formation is known as the acceptor. That is why it is known as the donor acceptor bond, because in this case there is one donor and one is acceptor.